Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how you add a signature in Zoho. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Zoho website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can select what section of Zoho you want to use. So guys, for today's video, we're going to go ahead and be using the mail option. So let's go ahead and open up mail, guys, and now this will open up this new tab where our mail is. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and select to send an email. We can reply or we can create a new email. But as you can see here, guys, our signature is only this, sent using Zoho Mail. So what we want to do, guys, is go ahead and create a new signature. And we're going to do that, guys, by clicking right here in the upper right corner. You're going to go ahead and find under your profile picture the settings option. So guys, go ahead and click on the settings option. Clicking on settings, guys, now this will open up this new tab where you will have multiple options that you can use to edit your mail. So we're going to go ahead to the search bar right here. We're going to go ahead and search for signature. And here, guys, now will appear an option that says create new signature. And guys, go ahead and click on that, and now this will open up this new signature tab in your options where you can go ahead and create your signature. So we're going to give it a name, let's say YouTube tutorial, and we're going to go ahead and paste the signature right here. Let's just say this is our signature YouTube tutorials. You can select if you want to place it above the quoted content or below, it doesn't matter. And then let's just go ahead and confirm that we want signature implies and go ahead and click on update. And now, guys, this is our new signature that we will be using for our mails. So let's go ahead back to the let's go back and try to send a mail. As you can see, now our signature is YouTube tutorials and will always be in our mails. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.